Superior Court Justice Michael Brown has ruled that Darwin the Ikea monkey will stay at a sanctuary instead of going back to his owner, Yasmin Nakuda. Despite all the media at the courthouse, Nakuda had few words. She did say to the media that what they witnessed was that loving was not enough to win a motion in court. Nakuda remained behind in court for some time after the decision was rendered. She was overcome by emotion, said her lawyer Ted Charney.
So on her behalf, I wanted to say that Yasmin has been fighting to recover Darwin now since December, and she's been doing everything she can to be reconnected with her monkey, and she's going to keep fighting. She's been accused of a lot of things, most of which were frivolous, and despite that she's kept going all this time, and she's disappointed with the judge's decision, but we understand that for today it was a very high threshold to meet before a trial to demonstrate that we're going to win a trial before it happens. But we tried, and we did that because Yasmin really wants to get Darwin back.
The civil case will return to court in May. For the Toronto Sun, I'm Sean Jeffords.